implementation, we should be ready for it.
Kajingnya kenat pedeng ke Meghalaya College Teachers Association MCTA ber ke Sekolah Ba North Eastern Hill University alo ke jingpen Rakkam ya ke National Education Policy lani NEP ahajar arpo kadang yai beteng kinong hikai college kila penbenar banyak da ke non cooperation movement abo pensyai lo ke nekamat Menteri kenat Pule Putih Rakkam Sangma ong badai ban Shim ya ke rai da ke babu Hakhmat ya ke bahaka Miat Jong Khynnah Pule Menteri ulakan thok bahkan sedon ka jingkta lada sedang pentrikam ya ke NEP ahajar arpo mentau senam.
So we can understand the ramification and the consequence of not starting this year. Of course, there will be problems, challenges with the institutions. But when the change happening, there is always some issues and challenges. But as a government, we are here to support our institutions, and we will find a way how to support our institutions in implementing if they decide so this year.